Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, July 31st, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So today we do have interest rate news, FOMC for the US dollar, and yeah, this is a yen pair, but the yen is definitely risk on, risk off currency, and it will be affected by today's dollar news for sure. So I will be live streaming for the news today, so definitely make sure if you want to check out my opinions right before the news, then definitely make sure you stop in for my YouTube live stream. But boy, I definitely think it's pretty well confirmed that the wave 3 is over and we are in a wave 4. I would expect this wave 4 to not only last probably 6 to 8 months, but I would also expect it to go down at least to one of these fib levels. I think this needs to end up looking at least something like this, and making a wave 4 and eventually going back up one more time for a wave 5. Taking it down to the weekly time frame, very, very strong move to the downside, but I don't even think it's over. I think it's more likely to stretch out and probably end up looking something like this for a wave A. Then it'll probably make a pretty big move to the upside for a wave B, and then probably another move down for a wave C. I literally expect this correction to last until probably spring of 2025. Probably this correction is going to last at least 8 months or more. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, the trend is definitely down. Just like when the trend was up, I said there was nothing to do except for look for longs. Well, now the trend is definitely down, and there's nothing to do except for look for shorts on shorter time frames. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame is where you can start to see the structure of this move down. For me, the only thing that would turn me into a buyer is seeing this structure break right here, which I don't even think it's going to do. Definitely looks like a 1, 2, 3 to me, and I don't even think the wave 3 is over. I would expect it to stretch out even more. So I would be doing nothing but looking for shorts on shorter time frames. Heading down to the 1 hour time frame, I've been saying for a while now, ever since this thing turned, that I would be doing nothing but looking to go short every single time I saw a pullback. If you've been following along with my videos and listening, you've probably been making some really good profits over the last few weeks. I definitely have been doing really good trading with the trend, and I definitely would continue to trade with the trend. I see absolutely no reason at all to think that this is going to go up in any significant way. It doesn't even have to go up like this. It could easily just keep trending down. If and when I do see a pullback, I will be looking to go short again for the continuation of the downtrend. The trend is your friend, especially when you're talking about the yen pairs. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.